Join me as I dive into the world of X Empire Airdrops and see if I can uncover the surprising truth about their crypto game rewards. In the crypto gaming world, airdrops have become a hot topic among players and investors alike. They're seen as a way to get in early on potentially lucrative projects and to score some valuable in-game assets. But what are airdrops, exactly? And how do they benefit those who participate in them? When it comes to airdrops, there's a healthy dose of skepticism that comes with the territory. One of the biggest concerns is legitimacy. Are these airdrops even real, or are they just some phishing scam in disguise? Another big worry is value. What's to say these airdrop tokens or assets will be worth anything in the long run? And then there's the issue of fairness. Are airdrops really a level playing field, or are they just a way for insiders to get rich quick? On top of all that, there's the mystery surrounding how airdrops are distributed. Is it purely random, or are there other factors at play? And what's to stop someone from just creating a bunch of fake accounts to snag all the good stuff? With all these questions swirling around, it's no wonder some people are hesitant to jump into the airdrop game. But despite all these concerns, the fact remains, airdrops can be a powerful tool for getting in on the ground floor of a new project, and for scoring some seriously valuable assets. So what's going on behind the scenes, and how can you increase your chances of success in the world of airdrops? At their core, airdrops are basically a way for projects to get their tokens or assets into the hands of potential users and validators. By doing so, they're creating a buzz around their project and getting people excited about what they're building. Take the game X Empire, for example. Their airdrops have been a huge hit, with thousands of players snagging valuable in-game assets and tokens. And it's not just about the assets themselves. Airdrops can also serve as a way to build a community around a project, getting people invested and engaged from the very start. One of the most successful airdrops in recent memory was the X Empire Galactic giveaway, which saw tens of thousands of players walking away with valuable in-game assets and tokens. But what made this airdrop so successful, and what can we learn from it? For one, the giveaway was heavily publicized, with X Empire using all their channels to get the word out. They also made sure to keep the process as transparent as possible, using blockchain technology to ensure the airdrop was fair and square. And finally, they followed up with a series of engaging community challenges, designed to keep players engaged and invested in the game. But here's the surprising truth: X Empire airdrops aren't just about getting some free stuff. They're actually a way to get in on the ground floor of a potentially lucrative investment opportunity. By participating in these airdrops, you're not only scoring some valuable assets, you're also becoming an early adopter, with all the potential benefits that come with it. And that's not to mention the potential profits that can come from trading these assets on the open market. In fact, some savvy players have already started to see returns on their airdropped assets, flipping them for a tidy profit on the open market. And it's not just about short-term gains, either. By getting in early on these projects, you're setting yourself up for long-term success as the project grows and matures. So what's the catch? Well, the truth is, there isn't one. X Empire airdrops are a genuine way to get in on the action and to start building your crypto empire. So what's the takeaway from all this? X Empire airdrops offer a unique opportunity to get in on the ground floor of a potentially lucrative project and to score some seriously valuable assets in the process. By cutting through the skepticism and hype, we can see the real value that these airdrops bring to the table and how they can enhance both our gaming experience and our investment potential. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own experiences with airdrops in the comments below. If you're looking for more crypto insights, be sure to check out my other videos, and I'll catch you all in the next one.